72-inch ceiling fan with light installation. Before installation, please make sure you disconnect the power supply to avoid electric shock. Firstly, remove the screws that are already in the motor. Next, attach the fan blades to the motor. Secondly, remove the screws from the light mount. Connect the light wires. Then attach the light kit with screws. Put the light cover on. Thirdly, unscrew the screws where the down rod is installed. Decompose the down rod. Take off the screws from the safety rope. Insert the coupling cover into it. Next, thread the cable and safety rope through the down rod and secure it with screws. After that, insert the canopy and hanging ball into the down rod in sequence. Then insert the fixing pin, push the hanging ball up, and secure everything with a screw. Finally, connect the receiver. Fourthly, install the bracket. By placing the down rod into it and attaching the safety rope. Connect the wires. Position the connector inside the bracket. Adjust the canopy's position and secure it with screws. Finally, turn on the fan and enjoy it.